Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be doing a video on how to make bubbly slime, I guess. But I'm using this glue that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm using some detergent, and depending on if it doesn't bubble, I'll be using these two. And I didn't know where my barber tool was, or shaping tool, whatever you call it. So I'm not using it. So I just use these ingredients and have a clear through bowl for you guys to see what I'm adding. And yeah, so let's get started. It depends on what you have. You could use either detergent, eye drops, or borax, but I don't have it, so I'll be using detergent. So I'm just going to empty this glue into the bowl right now. So I'll come back when I get it all out. So I forgot to tell you guys, it's actually half of a bottle, so yeah, it's already used some of this to make some different slime. So next you want to add some of your detergent, so I'm going to add some of that, about like a spoonful, and then you're going to want to mix that. So I'm going to just use this pin to mix it. So let me just mix that, and it should already be a little bit bubbly, so get back to you guys. So depending on how bubbly you want it, you add more. So this is already pretty bubbly, as you can see, and I'm not going to add anything else. I'm just going to stick to the detergent, the dish liquid, and the glue. So now I'm just going to add some of the detergent. So you just add a little bit at a time. So I think I added a little bit too much, but so it's already starting to clump up, and you're just gonna wait till it actually clumps up all the way. And yeah, so I'll just wait till it clumps up. So you're gonna keep on adding detergent until it actually finally like clumps up and doesn't stick to the bowl anymore. So yeah. So I'm still mixing, and it is starting to clump up even more. So I'm gonna still add a little bit more and see what happens. It should already get thick, so yeah. So I think the slime is done, so I'm just going to take it out of the container. I mean, it's still a little bit sticky and slippery for some reason. I think it's just because of the type of glue that I had, but I prefer Elmer's glue because this glue that I have is kind of watery. So here is the finished slime. That's going to pop up on the screen. Here is the finished slime. And there's bubbles in it, but you have to keep playing with it for the bubbles actually to like pop or whatever. So let me see if I could. So when I added that baking soda, that was a mistake. Look what happened, you guys. Wow. But man, I was so close. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So this is what happens when you think you're an awesome DIYer and then you add baking soda thinking it'll help, and it didn't, which made it worse. Like, look at this. What is this goop? Anyway, you guys probably didn't even like this, but anyway, if you had hope in the beginning for me making this, please like this video, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Do not add baking soda to your slime. I should have researched it, but I'll just caught in a moment. But I'll see you guys later. Bye. And I need to clean all this up.